Hi guys, I am Akanksha Sehgal and welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas 2020 and it's December 4th today and it's 1 PM right now. And the schedule for today is basically that first I have to upload the products on my Wonder Wheel store. New products are going live. That is basically the candles that I showed you day before yesterday. And they will be going up on my store, so I have to upload the details, the pictures and everything there first. After that I have to put up a question on my Instagram business page related to notebooks. So the people who do not follow my business page, make sure you're following that after this video. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. But yeah, so I did a poll sometime back that related to spiral bound notebooks. So a lot of people wanted those notebooks back in stock, so I am working on new designs for them. So I just wanted to know what kind of designs you would like more, like specific character or theme or something of that sort. So I want to confirm that. I am working on some designs myself, but I wanted to take this poll from you guys as well, because obviously you are the people who are buying that. So I want to know what kind of designs you would prefer. So that poll needs to go live. And for the Christmas part of today's video, I have to basically pack some orders. I have got some Christmas hamper orders, so I have to pack those. So when I am packing those, I give you guys some DIY gift ideas that you can go for, or basically hamper ideas that you can go for the Christmas gifting basically. And I wanted to do a DIY home decor video today, but obviously I'm short on time due to packaging of orders, getting them delivered and stuff like that. So I'll just pack those orders, and in that time frame only I'll give you ideas on what kind of hampers you can give. And yeah, that will be pretty much it for today. And yes, let's just get into the video directly. So guys, as you can see, the story is up on my Instagram page, Fashion and Fiesta. And if you are an Indian resident and you really like notebooks and you want to get any particular design customized in notebooks, make sure you're commenting on this story so that I know what kind of customization you would like. And yeah, now I'll just take a break and then So now I'll just take a break and then do the packaging of orders. And if you are thinking where the advent calendar went, I'll show you guys that also after packaging my orders. So welcome to my packaging area. Basically it's not my actual packaging area, but I wanted good light for this video, so I have shifted here. But yeah, I'll be packaging my orders here right now. And the very first hamper that we are making is for someone who loves eating and green tea. So this hamper is for that kind of people who really like eating. And yeah, so I have my basket here with me, and I have 2 mason jars filled with dry fruits. So these are going in. Then the customer wanted a mason jar, a blue mason jar, so that is also going in. And I'm taking another mason jar. I have decorated all the mason jars, and I'll be filling this one with some green tea. Some chocolates, a Christmas freebie. I made these home decor Christmas trees in one of my previous videos. I made these in bulk. So these will be going out as freebies in my upcoming orders. And the first basket is ready. I'll attach a close-up picture of all the hampers later on. But this one is ready, and I'll obviously be packaging this with plastic wrap and corrugated packaging later on. The next hamper that we are making, and the hamper idea that you can go for, is for someone who really loves candles. We all know at least one person who's a big candle fan, and yeah, for this hamper we are going for candles. So I'm taking a pattern sheet of paper to put it in the base of my basket. I have my candles here, so I'll be putting these in here. These are from the day before videos only, and I'm just seeing which candles were ordered and placing them accordingly. And also a tea light holder is going in. 3 gel candles that they wanted. And the Christmas freebie are these cute ornaments. The last hamper that we are making is for someone who really is into beauty and likes beauty products. So this is for all the fashionistas and the beauty and the people who actually care about their skin and everything. So I have this basket here. I will, sorry for the noise, but yeah. So currently I'm just placing all the items in the hampers. When I'm packaging them for the orders, I obviously bubble wrap all the contents in the hamper as well, so that there is no risk of breakage. But yeah, currently I'm just placing all the things in the hampers so that I know what is going where, and it's easier for me while packaging. And also I'll be clicking pictures of these, and it will give an idea to the customers as well how they need to present it after they remove the bubble wrap. The first thing that is going in here is a sleeping pack, hand cream, some bath bombs, body wash, gel mask, and we have the Christmas freebie here again. So this is the last hamper. So basically I gave you guys 3 different ideas that you can go for Christmas hampers. One is for the people who like eating and green tea. The other one is for the candle lovers, and the third one is for the beauty lovers. And now I'll attach the close-up picture so that you guys can have a better look. Hello people, I am back, and I packaged and delivered the hampers, and this was pretty much it for today's video. And as I said that I'll show you guys where my advent calendar is, so it's placed here as you can see with my Christmas tree. And I think this will be my new spot to end my videos, Vlogmas videos. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also those who are new to my Vlogmas series and this is the first video that you are watching, I have a giveaway going on for Indian residents. So you can, if you want to take part, you can check my day 1 video to take part in this. And yes, this was pretty much it for today. Now I'll go and edit this video. And yes, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.